Hi everyone, welcome to the 2020 Karen Wynn Lottery Early Bird Draw. We have Fiona.
Hi. Hi Danielle. So nice to be able to see you. Thank you so much for joining us. We've had some wind difficulties, as you can tell, but we wanted to be out here today. We wanted to reach out to you and thank you so much for supporting our frontline workers through this pandemic. We wanted to thank you for supporting the foundation, ehhf.ca 905-774. Thank you, because that's the only method that we can do the Karen Wynn Lottery this year is through telephone orders. So today is the first of our early bird draws. Our second one will be on June the 20th, July. So stay tuned to your email blasts, to your social media for some new and exciting the Halt Memorial Hospital pandemic. So we're going to turn it over to Danielle, and Danielle is going to draw our lucky first winner. Danielle.
All right, let's give it a shake. All right. And our first early bird 2020 $500 winner is Carol from Welland. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Carol. Thank you so much for supporting us. We can't tell you how much this means. We hope you're as excited as we are. We will be in touch with you, and we will let you know when you can pick up your check, or rather, we will mail your check out to you because we're obviously not working in the office. So thank you for tuning in, and we hope that we can be back to normal working hours as soon as possible and be able to greet you at the health cottage at the foundation. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you again for your support.